So today we're going to be making foam ball cards. And these are not literally foam ball cards, like not cards made of foam balls, but we're going to make designs on the cards using foam balls. So to make this, we will need a paper, some glue, a pencil or a Sharpie, and some foam balls, obviously. Next, you will need to take your paper and fold it in half, like this. You're gonna fold it in half this way, like this. And next, you have to draw like whatever you're going to do. So like today, I'm gonna be making balloons. So I just drew my balloons right now. And here. This is how my balloons look. So next we will be taking glue, and the line is going to be a little tricky, but the balloon part shouldn't be that tricky. To put a little glue like this in each one, and then you have to put line like this. And you also have to do the same thing here, sort of like that. You want to make sure you get enough glue so that your foam balls will like stick. But then you don't want to get like so much glue. That'll take like forever to dry. Next, we gotta like just smooth it out. You can use like this part to smooth it out. The back is what I'm using right now, actually. And you have to like sort of work quickly at this part, otherwise your glue will dry. And that's what I'm actually doing right now. Let's see. You can also add a little bit more glue. That's why I like using this part. And we just do the bows like this and like that. Okay. So next, now that we got this part done, we're going to take our foam balls, and like all of my balloons are going to be different colors. So this part you have to be a little bit careful. Like my first one is going to be yellow. So I'm like trying to pour from this side so it doesn't really get onto the other balloons. Yep, there we go. I think that's good. And if it does, that's fine. Next, we're going to add a little bit pink right over here. Just a little. That's good. Last but not least, for the balloons, we're going to add red. Just for this part. Okay. Now that we're done with the balloons, we get to work on the string part. And for that, I will be using green. And these are not plants, just so you know. Just need to add a little bit more. This. Okay. So, here we go. Next we have to put the bottom part. I like doing my bows at the last actually, but you can go in any order you like. So, you need to add a little bit more foam ball, like green, right over here. now that I'm done, I will add my bow, which is going to be a very pretty red color. We just take that out, put it in. Okay, next we have to actually press on it. And if you're worried that you'll get your hands a little messy, don't be, because the foam balls will protect you. So hooray, foam balls. Anyway, now I'm gonna put my hand on. Gently, though. This. Very gently. And you're going to slowly start shaking the foam balls that didn't stick. Like, you're gonna start shaking them off. Okay. So these were the ones that were left on. And you can always like shape it while it's wet. So like if you feel like you want to add something else, you can always add a little more and put it. So when you feel like it's okay, you wait for 5 minutes and it will be done. When it's done, it could look something like this. So this is all for today's video. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching, and bye!